frame.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. Today we are putting on a Works Connection skid plate. As you can see, here's the skid plate. Can I see that? Can you see it there? As you can see, nice little Works Connection skid plate. Do I need to tilt the GoPro down some?
Yeah, you might.
Okay. I'm just gonna leave it filming though. So I'm just gonna tilt it down out. Alright. So as you can see, we have our foam and our skid plate. We're just gonna put it on the YZ. I'm extending this by a lot. Let's get right to it.
Bring me down those all those brackets and the screws.
Bracket, bracket, screw, 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 screw.
Let me have that one with the shortest hook.
You have it. Basically how you install
one of the screws.
One of them?
Yeah, not the bolt, the screw. Reach me a good Phillips head screwdriver and the anti-seize.
Phillips anti-seize. Anti-seize. Phillips.
Now give me a big Phillips, man. Hey, look at the size of that you gave me.
Have a small one, that. Take a look.
Hold that skid plate. Other brackets and stuff. So these are the front ones. They've got grooves cut in for the welds.
These welds right here. Bug's been horrible this year.
little bit of anti-seize on that. I'll hold it. You just wipe it on there. Okay. Find me a T-handle to fit that.
Okay. YouTube, check out the new tools. We got T-handles with all the stuff that's already on them.
8mm.
It's a 6.
Alright, don't tighten it up anymore. We're gonna have slack so we can move it around. We'll run this side, just lay that T-handle down there. Hook it back.
Clean it some.
Yeah. Straighten.
I honestly thought this would take longer than this, didn't you?
Nah, I knew it wouldn't take long.
Uh-huh. Guess not.
Let's get more aggravated.
So if you were one of the lucky ones who got to attend the 20th anniversary of the Sturgis Mississippi tour, how amazing is that? I got to go to the LA show, and honestly, I really
YouTube, what do you guys think about the 70th anniversary edition Yamahas?
that album.
I don't like them that much.
Violence fetish from that record. Super good. So I'm excited to play over 1041 Turbo because that's when the hard rock in the 90s. Just wanted to remind you if you wanted to go back in time. Just go back to the one big step. You got it.
Is it good?
Yeah, try the sides.
Got it. Got it. Yeah.
What to do with these? Guess we'll have to go down in that foam, I guess.
Hey, if it works, it works. And you know.
Pretty sweet.
You want to lean this over for me for a second? So I can get.
Go over your grips.
Here, I'll just do this. This will be a bit better.
You gotta turn your bars all the way before you lay it down on there. There you go.
All right, YouTube. Check out the worst connection skid plate, and we did it in just above 10 minutes. I'm going to say thank you guys for watching, and we will see you all in the next one.